3 Orlando business owners went to prison for tax fraud. One of them got 12 years in prison, and they have an income tax preparation service. And this is super prevalent. If you're a business owner, employee, watch out for these because there are so many. I've seen this firsthand so many times. I actually had a family member that was a victim of this. And what they do is they'll take your tax return, and you may never have had a kid in your life, but you'll have somehow a baby on your tax return that you took care of during COVID. You'll have solar panels on your roof and get energy credits. You never had a solar panel. You don't even own a house. You don't even rent a house. You sleep on your cousin's couch. Now you've got solar panels on this house and a baby that never existed. So what happens with this game is they're getting you a massive refund, right? They're getting you, maybe it's called a $5,000 refund. And they're taking their big cut of that refund, obviously, to fund their services and their extravagant lifestyle. And you're getting a cut of that. So you're like, great, this is a win-win situation. But you don't know that they falsified your tax return, which you're not aware of this because maybe you don't know how to read the tax return. And so they're getting this big chunk of money from you. And guess who's held responsible for the most part? You. Although it sounds weird, yeah, they prep the taxes, but you are technically ultimately responsible, you the business owner or you the employee. So be careful who you're doing your taxes with. Make sure they're credentialed, make sure they're licensed and are not putting fake babies on your tax return. And the same goes for accounting services in terms of like bookkeeping or advisory, like give you only access to your accounts because there's a lot of fraud happening. I've had clients miss out on $500,000 in deductions just because they didn't have accurate bookkeeping. A simple error can cost you hundreds of thousands. So get someone credentialed. You're going to get accurate financials. You're going to sleep well at night, knowing you're not going to go to prison and you didn't overpay the IRS when you didn't have to. It's just a lose-lose situation. So be aware, make sure you're working with a credentialed individual, and be safe out there. Thanks for watching.